Chinsa ni sato chabona morgobo mwanchu muri getaseni giensoko ime ya maya ye chinsa isato bona mogoroba no gasemelia kwanenga kwabere ko gutwara uburigeria borobu ya kegima go kwaligane na ende tusanga subwa mo gochaka bono iga weika omoelio amaya nabo kuyabwate gwetera ase mitandao yekerero Facebook nabo igo YouTube gwetera Ensoko TV liane kerubo Frida nabalito kubwatera na soko eneke mna chibicha neliogi lya goikira sole ase nchira ya benene Felix Kabendi toldi nabo igo Dorin Kemunto toskare gwira nanda sege keke kiribosio. Toko ya chaka amaya korwa asorgongo rwa gusia sengo kumenya buna umubere oyo taramanyikana goikabono iga nigo otindo korwa ase kinyorogia gotinyango kegotoka sensemo yebunge anyari bali masaba maega ya mateyemo koyo enya kuru mutinyo kabere umwako yiga se bakagirite buna no mwana obo babere bagotindeka ase lieta Sara Osano oye ochite gotoka maega yo kubora ase gekegetambe korwa ase enka yabo Murikito Dominico Ndeli Nyabuto na ikira na Stinsemecho na baigo gotwaliganiria ayakobwatia
omubere bumwe isoko yo mondigo nyara ko bakogotindo korwemeye kenyoro kya Gotinyango keroka ime bunge nyari bari Masabe county ya Kisii maga ya mateye mogotinde ka omubere yo kuru mutinyo kabere bakagirite buna no mwana obo aserieta Sara Osano Chinsa isatone chidaika emerongevere gekamage getangani kigotindokora omubero yotaramanyikana goikaboni iganiyo kenyara kubage kuremwa somorobero yoira Chinsa isano koera umwana Sara Osano niganya tukoba okobora kurwa senka yabo mutinyi kominomo mwakorio eta mpaka goika omutinyi mutangani bo mwakoyo iga ekire amate ya kweto moyo asoko mori korende bakanyora oroboti mega yae Rokobatebuna omubere bw'umunyaroko yomo nigo nyari tukoba gotoka Chinsa mochi ametamayo yari tukoba konyora jana gutora chingoma chinyinge yaba ire tokagenda gwika asenke ndukorende bakaira omubere bakagete ngano mwanchobo kubwatekana ne chingoma omubere obwate gwetania olibo kurigerirwa maiga ya amatega komweni nyagosira bakagete ngano mwana obo Sara nigo banyorete simigo cha asenka yabe ko batebuna omwana obo Sara nigare moyo gento bono kia baleterete obwoba no gotegena asebono bachagete kumurigia mase mono komonyora sare
esimi yekere yacha nabona na ondogete sana ingabura ga kirende nainde oyo wake esimi ningo arona aratamete kabolero bano haya na machini ngaki esimi yacha bende kere esimi yacha tenja nya stuete lakini rende nganyoro mwana nere omwana no kurukunya butana babwatete esimi iga kunya gukwana mama ya yansaru minto nende tukaondoka ende tukakwana tukakora tukachaka rende process tukachaka rende koligia mwana uri nabo twamanyorete ni namberia wetere namberia agete
nigo amate ya chagete omuroberi bwo chakorigi obokonyeri ko banyarko bagotindokora omubere ko asenka yabo igento bono kirire chinga chintabe kubwatikana na oburemeru ebitoki bura asenke yega na maga ya konyora abasani aba banyarko bakobakonya goikera buno omubere onyarko bakogotindokorwa ari tukeri gali arero
Tuya sanchale te sita anda bana bale mbotole school. Hondo wenya wake sa nga kinya be no konyiki. Ya be no konya iga ngito uncha te ai ga te tora tekimuta. Te nyo subuka mona ko rat mu kyo bango bawo. Wa min to bato konya hasaba temi abo tembi mo. Ne numbi mo no asemu atemi. Onte to ko kamagoso ko bana ataria atana ne ngoti nyango yoka. Ma chire dingo tegera muri.
Korengana ne kemira kyo mogusi bono nigo omwana Sara kagere kwirana asenka yabo mega yo mubere gotindokorwa asebono abasaye bagokina boni banyarko bagose banyarko bakoba bakubwati chingejo chingia ekero bagosoka kurwa se chinka chiabo umubere gotindokorwa nigo nyarako bakoko bagoika asenke ndo yamenya gitari meyo mochio keroka
boys and girls bali mora once ko iro mwana bo mondo tiga komugachenga kie mondo tariko karaki tariko gachuwekereke wangu keri Anya kwa iro mwana bo monto kabenere 1 to 2 months reporting anu gwato mwana bo monto na ndemo ya freedom yo wake simyatenga ki na nyorete mugaka ose na nyorete mungina no ngorete ki no nde tumanya moya because anye mani linya korete biashara ebintu arokora bintebi
Pono mwana Sara no are ni gare byanti ane angege gango moreta toli muno mubiro yo korunsi igore ndi ntubwati mangi ringana rinene togogete
asebono nigo umubere onyagusenya koba gokorusigwa gaiga ase ekebure asebono nyare koba kokoba chia senkendo nabono nigo eamatekagere kumureta omwanchi obo gaiga asenka yabo yakoba gokomuchengerana kumwirani kotwara omogoko gaiga asenka yabo kuripote senkia nambe magian soko TV kure kanyorukia goti yake kutoka gaiga ase ward ya Nyamasibi kutoka gaiga ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii Ritarian Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Abagusi emerongo kianda na batano noyomo abo bamenyete asumuchi okericho asikolende basiberekanite gwetera chisegi cy'omwaka bw'ekiri bubere na isano na ibere cyobo cyoli obonene nigo rero baumirana maiga y'emyaka 15 na korosia ekiombe kemanyikaine buna kikenya bagukwana asege karasi skuru ya St George's Academy me county ya Nyamira bakoragwa n'umunyakerogo George Nyambane nabo igomuri kyobo Dr. Stanislaus Misati nigo batebire ugochichamo kwabo no gokiania ebirengelyo na gusirana unabalenge ime ya Kericho Mulikito Steven Nyarikie Mbunde no roboti orwe
Maiga yechisege chiatua 7 yechienegetiye obogesa kwobonene kubwatekana no bochori obonene niga bagusi ange emerongo kianda na batano nomo abu bamenyete omochio Kericho abo baseberekanetiwe na kogenda chinsemo ao banyoranira seritangani kabisa inse yari aburi yekiomberia kikenya murenjere yemo yokwirani obwanjani babwatekere bamenyetamo asomochio Kericho
Angro George Nyambane Masese enka yana Nyaribari Keumbu lakini rende anene obugima bwane tubona akorera sikiriti emyaka 15 singa kyecho twamete emyaka emia twanchaine makwiri onda ariko bakiricho tware kubwaterana buna abantu abamo twakoba emibire y'ikagusi andi twirana igontu warenga muno 27 ekero yaika mangana echikura chiabete gracias yekaba bono tokangaishwa paka gosambira chinyomba chionsi na kiregento lakini omweri onyasaye nomuya agatokonya agaturusioro togokobuna n'amasasi agotokobuna busi togeka chinka
ekiombe kigiachagete Kenya iyo giachagete omwaka oyo mutinyo toto erengo ya ene linanga iyo twatete kumerana abantu twamenyire asomochio Kericho after 08 tukasebekana abandi bakana Kericho yaki bakatia abandi bakana Gusii abandi bagacha Nyamira abandi bakatia Kericho so twabera matuka mange tutamanya ryo somo akikiro montaro
twaro tubwata mariga mange na ende twaro boroboro bonga senia kemingi kurende korwa buno yo moito achaga sira bwango igagwitira samatanga na lielio abange baumeranete bagateba yaya ntoli biya tigato chichango amo
bagukwana ase skuru ya St George's Nyamira Academy bakorawa no munyakirogobo George Nyambane amo no muriki obo Dr. Stanislaus Misati nigo batebire ngae ganga yabo yogo chichamo na inde no kianania stress nemechando beterete ase korende bono barairane gwetere kiombe ya Kikenya
niwe twachira mu gitore iga naenderende twachaka uruma tutaitura nyobugima nebirengera ryera ntutwara stress mono tobona abantu baringe Kericho
igo obuya bwigente koroche korwa ngake ya mariga rero bono manya tumera na sogoseka twarire mburi yetu agoretega twarageire na ndo no ya moito otorente venue ya St George's Primary School Nyamira
kubwatekana negati yabo kumerana ingaki ya maboka igo berere ngaho gocha kwabo ase kiombe keiga kechiko bachinguru byogo chichamo ingaki ya mabe na maya
idea yachete so koyo so yomito daktari Misati awasinya citizen otwarenge karto jite uyo mintase anyarete kusyo orobima bwaya uyo lenge mo Mrs. Kerotwa
igokomo basabire abasani babo abarenge na barabume ya Kericho asekorende basaberekanetwe bachichamo na inde
ngosaba gaki buna twachamo iga naende togendete gocha tiga tonyare kobamo tiyobo erimo togotwara obwanchani toumerane totarerane tokoyane tosire nasi tokonyara erio togenderere komenya obogima bori twamete kebito
maiga yogoseberekandiwa n'ekisegi cy'omwaka 2007 ase ensemo ya Kericho nigo bono nande bachiramo n'entere yemo yokorokia obwanchani korwa ase skuru ya St. George's Gesore yogotoka ase ward ya township me bunge ya West Mugao me county ya Nyamira ingo reporteria Nsoko TV kitera Nyariki Stephen Embonde.
Oscar Besio ebikoro bya siasa ebyo bigoturugania emeyega asa matanga imeyorogongo rwabusim nigo byabere bikoene kigwa comment kana asa matko abwango iga litko lya rero niga babwatani korwase kyumbe kia abagusi Council of Elders bakoragwa no munyakirogobo araka matundura besokire na kugikiria bororo siasa asa matanga anemono chinga kitoro cyobo cholio bonene bo mwaka bwechiribubere 2025 na kogania nyagosira koyogwa amasikani aye yomoelio
amasikani aborire asori okwete amasikani aborire ase abakwereire amona abamate babo n'abasani babo ekiagera mono abantu bakokora emerobiri yege siasa gabakogenda bareta abantu ase amasisiare ngabaje kuogerera abande baje korama abande na gokora ayata gwenereti ase ebirero biria onye ko bwate okorengereria okuya ngakiura achaye oliosirete gosenga kikwa morengereti ngambu yasirete egaro jo gokorere siasa ya ororo egaro jo gokwanera mangana a ororo na kogo yakwana turiko yakwana ase njira ye engiya ya mochoko gose ya masikani bona echeche yabeire buna bono chinsemo chia marani chinsemo chia o machoge ebisa bune bibiarorekanira ororo na nigo bigotogechi sana na ndori gotimoka otoragendera gokwana na toragendera gotebia abaminto nga eyeteribia tiga masikani yabe nyore mbarabu bali bagokora engencheri mbakweri tukelimo mbakogani bakorerwe enjereri bakorera abantu bande bagokora esagasaga bakokora ogotuomania abantu na gochaya na okorama wetera ase omonto akure
gochibosia ntobwate siasa ase ense yaito nimaete ngabona abantu mbarengerete koboria ebiro ao ebirogo bakoboria ase bagokemba nga bagende gokwana amang'ana abo igoro yokoboria chikura na asa matanga ntotagetibo intwe muna abagaka igo twatebire iga oriosira aigwa masikani na endonye okoenigwa ne kanisa tige kanisa ire libaga rinene kobwachi nkwana
Mwancho murigeria ngosabo kwabera ase obototokano bwa mario gyayo kurende koiranirira oroboti oroni gongo kumenya buna ewodi yekerenyo yebwataba kichikura chiribu 14 chimibere 52 na batatu nebituo 29 asomo returning officer Wesley Ruto ayenekire buna amaliani onsi abere kagoikirana gochia ase ebituo byonsi ase wodi ya Nyamaya inse mo returning officer Chepkurui Catherine eyo ebwate ebituo 30 na ba kichikura chiribu 15 chiminye 30 yomo oigo nigo bayenekirie kweroberia nakio ase wadi ya Nyansiongo nigebwate ebituo 29 ase abakichikura bare chiribu chi 15 ne 50 ase kolenda returning officer Kennedy Opanga araririe koba tayari murikito Steven Nyarikiembunde na amange
Amariganio yobochori oboke ase chiwodi cha Nyansiongo Kerenyo na Nyamaiya nigo aikiraniwe korengana returning officer be chiwodi bene aberere ngachikura nigo chirachigo chakawa kwa chinsa 12 chiemambia ya Aramisi ase wodi ya Nyamaiya nse yo returning officer Chepkri Catherine irachigotwara ebituo 30 asaba kichikura wetania 16 barachiwaka chikura nigo kiregento gyatingiwe kurwo borendi abayigo ebinto byo waka chikura birwase ebituo bene.
I'm Chepkiri Catherine, the returning officer for West Mugirango constituency. I am conducting the by-election for Nyamaiya ward. Since yesterday, we were busy packaging the materials, the election materials in readiness for tomorrow's poll. And we already distributed to each polling of the 30 polling stations that are in the ward. All the POs have checked their materials to ensure that they have all that they need for the elections. So we are set for tomorrow's by-election. And we are very hopeful and very confident that all will go well.
My name is Florence Obunga. I'm the Deputy County Commissioner, Nyamira South. I want to say that as the Sub-County Security Committee, we are set for the Nyamaiya by-elections on the 27th of November 2025. I want to inform Nyamaiya ward residents that we have already deployed adequate security to cover the elections. In terms of deployment, every polling station has been given 2 security officers. We have also been able to secure the tallying center where we will converge for purposes of the final declaration of votes. I also want to appeal to our candidates that we would not wish to see a crowd at the polling center. We will only allow those who have been accredited by the IEBC at the tallying center.
Ase wodi ye Kerenyo imeya North Mugirango iyo ebwate bituo 29 nse yo returning officer Wesley Ruto nigene kirina abakichikura wetane chiribu 14 nigo barachiwaka chikura chiabo ase oborendi boigo bwabekire bose nagotingiwa.
Name is Ruto Wesley. I'm the returning officer for Kerenyo County Assembly Ward by-elections. I wish to confirm that for purposes of conducting the elections tomorrow, all preparations are ready. We are ready to deploy our officers to the field beginning today in a matter of hours to come. We've received all the necessary materials up to and including the ballot papers, which we are going to break the ballot in a few minutes. I have the candidates at the tallying center who have also come ready to witness the exercise. As a ward, we have 29 polling stations with a registered voter population of about 14,000.
Ase wodi ya Nyansiongo imeyaborabu inse yo returning officer Kennedy Opanga nigarere bituo 29 nigo birachigotumeka so wakichikura asaba kichikura wetania chiribu 15 na mobo igo barachiwake kura nigo bareire boigo borendi gotingiwa na kiregento kobatiyari.
That once you have voted, please go back home. We would not wish to see people idling around the polling stations. So once you have voted, please go back home and engage in your normal business. Otherwise, we are appealing for calm tomorrow, 27th, and we want to urge everybody, all the residents of Nyamaiya, to uphold peace and ensure that we have peaceful by-elections.
Steven Nyarikiembunde, Nsoko TV, County ya Nyamira.
Ensemo y'abamenyi b'omuichi Bosonge county ya Kisii nigo baganirie abamenyi b'echiwodi isato chia Nyamira echirekerenyo Nyamaiya amana Nyansiongo obwaki obuya bw'echikura bw'omorembe abo ase basabire gotalenta chiburaburu waige kiombe gya IBC nigo yasabire gokora obochori bwobwene na boigo bwasyoku na gutomanya mulikito Wycliffe Orenge.
Ekero bochori oboke bogochokorekana ankyo ase chiwodi ni chibunge ao imense ya Kenya bono niga bamenyi be county ya Kisii anene kigima bari bo muchi Bosongo besokire rigusaba abamenyi be chinseme ekyo gwaka chikura kyo morembe
ase siasa cha Nyamira abaminto momoroche Kenya stoikeire bono iga Kenya yeto yabeire enkong abaminto Nyamira chinsema cha Nyansiongo ekerenyo
abantu betu ba Nyamira gusi twakobasabira omorembe ngakiechuru chigendete gari Nyamaiya baechoke bakebuya enseboni yaramukiri
egento nate abantu baito gusiengi mese yabeta omugusino muntu wanje to morembe nane toigwana ne kurukale ndunto bwati goiteri manyinga ndobwati boibonde bwense asoba chori bore mambia ime Nyamira gento ngo batebya barai baminto tokore siasa chyo morembe abantu baminto komuganda gwaka chikura chiri mwaka chikura chia maskani ne chyo morembe moja karete buraburu
obye biru ne chingaki abantu mbaro bagenda to gusuguna ni oborimo ase metu yabo ime ase siaseye igo tware gosaba muno mugusi ongainire obwate biashara omanyete sakuru na sagoja gendera ini yake kura ganyama toke omurayori wachorerwa nero yobwa
anena ke nigo basabire abamenyi be county ya Nyamira na bakichikura kweneke buna ngwaka bare chikura ekyo batali kurigerera chibesa gusekonia chikura chiabo
bacha oro monto muya omonto webikora mbaligereria bese rokalie lakini mochoro monto okobakorera magendero nande twabase na ntukuru kisi county ya Maya bonsi abarayibo to speak omorembo begali abarayibo to kwakondoro mambiri tukikalie chikura bacha oro murayo muya
kura yao ne reshira ochoro murayo togete nobone sia kongire bacho konye sia Nyamira ne maiga sama tuka mange tutogete nere gendera mutu muna chi county jigonda mutu
timo genda korwana ya genda mokore gasi ino na IBC ekore gasi yabo kobara asinywe yasa naroro
ne kiombe kire gitene to bochori ne chimbe be imense ya Kenya IBC na kira kyo nigo gyasabire gokora bochori bwo bwene no bwasyoku rigotanga amabirira ge siasa ayo abayisegocha
buraburu na IBC chira chiri mwaliete mo make sure mwaikeraniri mo chaka na ino gokora bintu gete iga chi story chine chyo bakora
IBC na inu naganiga mutware egento tokoroka justice mo rigereria bese murigererio mwana inji ningi atagete ase ballot no mwana inji akoganie egento kiagesoke koru atangaseru na bari barabugwe na barabutiga batemenjera chinde erinde rie round ende na barabumba nyore
bono nigo yatigire ase abamenyi be chinsemo ao chichibwato bochori oboke weneke bunango chora barabara yabaya barabaletera magenderero ginko reporteria Ensoko TV kurogaiga asobogata tibo mochi Bosongo county ya Kisii ireteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Mwaziri bobochano Eden Duale ururo kogosereri gutindi gochia sabo bisabe kiombe kia Pharmacy and Poisons Board abarachi kobwatreni wa asobo kurumi nigo barachi kwimukirwa egetambukire getindi keri chiko okwana kurasa magacha manene ye kiombe kyo imiyomochio Nairobi Duale nigaruro gochika gochia asomo teneneri okulika chi pharmacist kwa enekia gochakira eikere bosio abakurumi bonsi kwimukirwa bare getambukiro.
I will be coming here. If the other ministers are not coming, you will see me very often here. But I use the mosque around here to pray. Every time I come to the mosque, I will pass by here.
Omwaziri bwe wizara yobochenu imenyense Eden Duale kureire abobisa ba Pharmacy and Poisons Board abubara abakurumi ase abatebirie enyimbo yabo nigereriko na nigo irache kubasamba bororo.
So chairman and board members and management, you must fully comply with the law and take decisive regulatory action against any individual or entity that endangers the life, the health, and the safety of Kenyans. So if you don't want to implement these directives, then you have to look for another place. Any individual, any premises, any establishment, any entity which is involved in the distribution and sale of these illegal products must be arrested, prosecuted. Action must be taken against those in charge of those premises, but also against their directors.
Nigo aruro gochika gochia ase omobisa okorika abobisa ba Pharmacy and Poisons Board asege kagechi kibere chire mutwe kwenekia abakurumi bonsi koimokerigwa bare getambokero kieri chiko asebo igatebire buna bari bonsi baguche gotoka bakonia mariogo batabwateti chiko chiduka chabo nigo chigo chiago siekwa.
In the next 2 weeks, the way Dr. Mercy Mwangangi of SHA is closing health facilities who are involved in fraud, you must, please have a seat. I must hear you closing pharmacists. You must close pharmacists who are involved in this thing. And I must get the list. If you want me to gazette, I'll gazette it with my signature. Yeah. Anybody selling Kenyans, counterfeit, unregulated medicine and drugs, you not only deal with them and prosecute them, you must close that pharmacy.
Arenayo nigo dware atebire buna ikiombekio nigo kegochia gotinya obokoreri bwaye ase ogotumia chinchera chekerero.
So Pharmacy and Poison Board, therefore, under the Digital Health Agency, is expected to maximize the use of that digital superhighway to digitize all its core functions and operations. And these include several systems which are designed to support the Pharmacy and Poison Board end-to-end digitization. These include the National Logistic Management System, the Track and Trace System, where the drug given to the patient can be traced to the manufacturer, the licensing platform for all products and health services, the Quality Assurance Management System of Pharmacy and Poison Board, and to accelerate this process, the Pharmacy and Poison Board leadership should immediately establish a technical project team.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omocho Nairobi irietariane Lenet Nyambane.
Mwaziri w'oburendi bw'aime Kipchumba Murkomen igo aenekirie okurusigwa kw'abanyanyimbo b'oburendi korwa ase okorwa obokoreri ochiaswe omugavana George Natembeya okwana nigo aenekibuna abanyanyimbo abo nigo bakageire kubwatirana n'ababegu nekero baratokikane n'amamocho mbaimukirigwe egetambukero chingaki ekyo boigo nigaruge kure getindi gochia ase bali baroberete korenta chiburaburu chingaki chobo cholioboke bogokorekana ase boigo abagani abaki chikura kogendanga maega yogwaka chikura.
The fact that you have been attached to a certain VIP does not make you part and parcel of his campaign, part and parcel of his ideologies, part and parcel of his criminal plans. You need to know that at any one time you remain an officer of the National Police Service. So if there are any people who have been withdrawn, it must be in relation to the planned violence and the recent violent confrontations, and the fact that some of these police officers have been found in the middle of goons, facilitating goons, transporting, hiring. And it's not enough that they have been withdrawn. A disciplinary action will be taken against them. And if the charges are proven, they will lose their jobs. They will be relieved of their responsibilities within the National Police Service. So it's not enough even to complain that they have been withdrawn. It may also be that those police officers may never go back to their jobs if it is found that they were facilitating violence in any part of our country. We have a proper provision of police officers in every polling station and all the tallying centers to make sure that Kenyans go about their business safe. I want to also address these people who are going to Kisumu, to Nairobi and to other counties to hire and recruit goons to come and disrupt elections here and other places, whether it is Siaya, Malava, and Mbere or Kariobangi in Nairobi or in Magarini. I want to tell them that don't try that. We are going to take very stern action against the financiers, the transporters, anybody who owns a Probox or a motor vehicle or a matatu, or which is going to be hired to ferry goons. Apart from arresting the goons and arresting the planners and financiers, we will also arrest the transporters.
Serikali ya Kenya nigegendete kubika emiroberio yogukinya echiro yebitungetie obulimi ayankubwatikana no mwaziri w'obulimi Mutahi Kagwe oyole ase etaro yemirimo asense ya China. Julia Obuba na mange
Wokwana sege karonobo bisabe bango bense ya China imeyomo chio Beijing Kagwe niga sabire nse yuo kwarora bie bango bakorusie kawa echae chi avocado na boiga maembe yense ya Kenya akoni gwaroro.
Research organization is the premier organization that does a lot of research for us, and it is the one that approves the products from China that we use in Kenya. There are quite a few technical details that need to be worked out or are still being worked out. On our part, what we would like to do is to bring to life the agreement that was made in your country by both presidents. And indeed, we would like to do so in the soonest possible time. For us, it's very important for two reasons. Number one, as you know, the balance of trade is very heavily skewed on the Chinese side, and we would like to feel that we are also sending products to China. And in so doing, our people will also appreciate that China is a partner. We have got only one side, that is not a partnership. In addition to that, we have a memorandum of understanding in the agricultural sector.
Nabo yugo nigo kasabire chinse chibere wanchera abana inchi babo gotarirana na gukora amasomo unenchera yemo yogotinyia obwama.
And we would like also to expand the relationship in the agricultural sector. We are particularly keen in the area of research, training, in the area of improving our agricultural qualities, particularly on the technical training level. And therefore, as I repeated, to bring the agreement to life, we would like to see, for example, some of our people come for very short-term training courses. We don't want them to do very long courses, we want very short-term courses that expose them to certain things. And then they come back, and we are happy to see the same. And the same applies to our research scientists. We like to attach them to some research areas in China. And we are also happy to cooperate in strengthening, and we like to strengthen our side of the research area and the colleges area. I think there is a lot that we can do, and I believe that your being here symbolizes that we are ready to do so on our part. We are very happy to have you. We want to continue expanding our cooperation, and I'm sure that at the technical level, our people will be solved all the pending issues. The only thing we ask for is we do it quickly. There are some decisions, some applications that have been reviewed for more than 2 years, and we are really keen on making this one possible.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.
Mwanjo muligereria kurwa soroboti uroni otogwikira omoerio bokumurikira amangana maya kurinde tumirane chinga kichinde twara ubotuko borobia iliane Kerobo Frida.